Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my spring Fabfitfun box. So they do this seasonally, so you get a winter, a spring, summer, and fall box, and it's like, I think like $50-ish every season. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the box. I have 8 different products, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so first of all, it comes with this like little catalog with a bunch of different info and everything in here, and it has like the information of the products along with the pricing, so I will be able to tell you that and the total of the box at the end. So let's go ahead and jump into one of my choice items, and that is this. Let me find on the paper. It is these Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink, and they retail for $48. I have a pair of slippers that I've had for like years, so I wanted something nicer, and I got like a medium large size. I can't remember if I picked the size or if it was like a universal thing, but I'm going to pop them on my feet really quick. I like that they're open-toed. Ooh, these are really comfy, and they're super cute. Ugh. Trying to lift it over my pregnant belly so you can see. These are really comfy, so I do like those. Like I said, those are $48. Next on here, we have this VERSO Super Eye Serum. This has retinol in it, which retinol I don't think you're supposed to use when you are pregnant, so I'm gonna have to look into that. But this is $65. Holy crap, $65 for this itty bitty thing. That's expensive, very expensive. Interesting. Next we have, this was another choice item. It's this PERRICONE MD Essential FX, some name I can't pronounce, Rejuvenating Moisturizer. This is $98. Pretty sure I picked it because it was something expensive, and like otherwise I would never use this. So hopefully I don't like love it, if that sounds bad, because I don't want to have to buy it. I would never spend $98 on skincare. Oh, it smells like poop and honey. That, I don't like the smell of that at all. It says massage onto clean face and neck, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. Very soft. I can't get over the smell. It smells like flowers. Not honey, flowers. It's flowers. But for some reason I smelled like poop, so I don't know what that is about. Let's see. Next we have this Grown Alchemist body cream. This is $26. The packaging is really nice. However, I have used a Grown Alchemist face lotion, and it broke me out on like little white bumps. So I am not going to keep this, just because my experience with the previous item I've used from them. So I'm going to save this for future giveaway. Let's see. Next we have this random Tropical Trio COCOFLOSS thing. This is very interesting. This is $28. And I'm going to open this up. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's floss. It's a really cute container of floss. And then you come with 2 refills. So that's nice. Ugh, I hate flossing my teeth. I'm trying to get better at it. So that's kind of cool. That's something completely different I would never expect to see in a box. Next I have this from Humankind. It's this moisturizing hand scrub. This is $15. I have used some stuff from this brand before and I really liked it. However, I have so much lotion right now, so I'm going to save this as well for another future giveaway. And then I have 2 things left. So first we have this Suns Out, Pouts Out Gold Lip Foil Mask. This is $16 and there's 4 of them. This is Very interesting. My lips have been very dry lately, which is weird because I've been drinking a lot of water. I don't know if that's a pregnancy thing or what. So that is pretty interesting. And then the last thing we have in here is from SAIE. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. It's SAIE. And it is their reusable beauty rounds. It's a 3-pack and it's $15. I don't need these because I have like a really specific skincare routine and I don't use any of these. So again, this is going to be another item for a future giveaway. So out of the 8 things, I'm keeping 5 and my total was $311. I only paid like 50 something for this, so that's an amazing value. As I mentioned, I'm saving 3 things for a future giveaway. I do have a giveaway running right now that is going until April 26th. So I'm going to link that video down below. On my channel this year, I'm doing a giveaway every single month. So April's video is 5 different items. I have a lipstick from ColourPop. I have an eyeshadow palette. I have a face palette. I have skincare from Ole Henriksen. And then I have a face palette. So I have 5 items in that giveaway. Again, it's going to be linked down below. Go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.